Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel Insider. In today's video, we will learn how to add data labels in Excel chart in 4 different methods. So let's get started. I have created a pie chart from our sales data here. The data source contains sales statistics across different months. Now I'm going to show you how to add the data labels using different methods. The first method for this is to use the Chart Elements button. For this, just click on the chart and then you will see this plus icon, which is the Chart Elements icon. Click on it and then come to Data Labels. Now check it. You can also click on the small arrow and select the position of your data. The second method for this is to use the Chart Design tab. For this, just select the chart and then you will see 2 new options appearing on your ribbon. From them, select Chart Design. Now, come to the Chart Layouts group and select Add Chart Element. Now scroll down and select Data Labels. Here are a lot of options that you can pick for your labels. I'm picking up Center. The third method tells us how we can add series, category, and percentage as labels in a chart. For this, just select the chart and then click on the Chart Elements button. Now scroll down and come to Data Labels. Click on this small arrow. Scroll down and select More Options. This opens a Format Data Labels pane at the right side of your screen. Now, under Label Options, always come to this icon. Again, under Label Options, there are different boxes that you can check. So let's check Series Name, Category Name, Value, and Percentage. I'll uncheck this one for now. The last method helps us adding dynamic and custom labels from cells. Let's say we want to add the short term of the months along with the sales value like in the cell C2 to C6 range. Now I'm going to show you how you can add these values as your labels in this chart. For that, just click on the chart and then click on the Chart Elements button. Now scroll down and come to Data Labels. Click on this small arrow like this. Scroll down and then select More Options. This opens a Format Data Labels pane again at the right side of your screen. From there, under Label Options, always select this icon. Now, under Label Options, uncheck the Value option. Then, check the Value from Sales option. Now, this dialog box opens. From here, click on this arrow and select your data label range. So I'm going to select C2 to C6. Press Enter. Now click on OK. As you can see that the labels are added according to the cell data. You can get the workbook for this content linked below. Drop any questions or feedback in the comments box and please visit Excel Insider for more Excel and Google Sheets tutorials like this.